So good morning. This is Greg Noyes. I'm at up in Woodland Hills. It's July 24th, Thursday, 2014, and we'll go over how to shut off the utilities. First thing we'll look at is the gas meters down by the street, and the pine needles coming down the hill have covered up the valve here. So the first thing you need to do, or someone needs to do, is clean this stuff out, so you have access to the shutoff valve for your gas. And during the course of the escrow, there will be a box here. It's called a seismic gas shutoff valve, and it's required in the city of LA, and they'll do that in escrow. So that would automatically shut off when you have a 5.4 earthquake. And there's a little set screw you can turn to reset it, but that will keep you, you can go right back to sleep during an earthquake because your gas will be turned off. The next thing we're going to do, your gas meter is at the street, which we looked at a minute ago, but up at your house, they also have another shutoff valve for your gas, and it's right here. Go to the back of the house, to the left side, and look at the electrical and water and how to shut it off. So I've been walking up the front stairs, and the roof line over your garage, if you follow this line of tiles, and you go down 4, 5, 6 tiles, you see some more are slipped, and they're held in there by friction, and so they need to be kicked back into place. And then down a row, there's another loose tile, and that needs to be nailed in place. And so we're still trying to work ourselves back to the rear of the house to show you how to turn off the power and the water. So I'm on the rear side of the house, well, the left side rear, and you'll see a electrical panel here. And the very top breaker is a 200 amp breaker.
Okay, left
you bring this thing down, and that will shut off the power. And if you notice coming down here, it's missing labels on the...
So this is off, okay, so the top...
Yeah, when you push it down, it's off. It's on right now.
Okay.
And then the water shut off for the house is right here. And they have a gate valve here, and these things break after a while. So we like to see we call it a ball valve, a lever valve. Yeah, so if you do a sense of...
is it something what is required by the
Not required. It's just in case of emergency, you'll get it too tight and you break it.
Okay.
And so that's how you shut the water off here.
Okay,
so we got that.
I'm
So I'm up in the attic now, and this is where your furnace is located. This is a typical place to put a furnace. And they have a real problem with the vent line. It slopes down. And then goes back up, so that needs to be repaired ASAP. And the compressor outside is newer, 2013, and I'll check the age of this. But this this installation is not done right, and I'll have more in the report about it.
Thank you.